After installing the simple trainer for GTA 5, once you press the F3, the game crash. To fix the crashing problem, check my video description for this download link and follow my video steps to put the file in this data. Open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager and make sure all three are installed. And select edit mode and select yes option. Open mods folder. If it doesn't have mods folder created for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to create mods folder in GTA 5. Once installed done, open the mods, update, update.rpf, common data, and drag and drop this meta file inside. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F3 to open up this trainer and turn on the numlock in the keyboard. And using the 8 and 2 key in the numpad, you can choose option. To select option, press 5 key in the numpad. To go back, press the 0 key in the numpad. Go to vehicle spawning. Choose the car type you want to spawn. Select the car you like to spawn. And to close this menu, press the F3. Or you can use the backspace key to close this menu. And you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.